Hi everybody, I am back and I wanted to show you what the patterns look like finished. I've got them all done. Those that saw my last video, I did talk about having skin cancer surgery, so I do have a scar all the way down here and my eye is just a little bit irritated, but it looks much better than it did because this was all kind of swollen and my eyelid was burgundy, so it wasn't pretty. Anyway, this mess right here is stuff that's out of my camper that I have to store in the closet for the winter, so excuse that. The rest of it looks good. All right, so I have finished these punch needle patterns, and before I send them back to the shop, because I am a model puncher, not a model stitcher, I wanted to show them to you again, all finished. So this is the pattern here. It is Myrtle Grace Motives, and that's the name of it, Winter Whimsy Wonder Part 2. So I have a tree, and this, and a stocking. So you can see the stocking and the tree. And this, I think, is plum pudding or something. I'm not really sure. Maybe you know what it is. It says, yeah, plum pudding. I was right. Okay. And then this is one of the ones that a lot of people liked that said it was their favorite, Cozy Chap. And this is Three Sheep Studio. And that is this one, all finished. And the next one is another Three Sheep Studio. And I had said that the person I'm doing these for, she wanted me to do this one in Christmas colors instead of the aqua. So these are the ones I chose. You can see the colors good. They're reds and greens. And then this is the stocking, which would match my camper perfectly because it's all done in teal. Okay, next, Father Christmas. Several people like this one. This was a pretty good size one. So you can see it is just about perfectly the size of the envelope for the pattern. And it came out really good. It is all done in Valdani. I'm going to tell you something. If you're going to do this pattern, every little bit of this is Valdani. Now, you can see part of it. One color is just his eyes. One color is just his cheeks. One color is just the little lines in the ball. And I would do most of this in DMC because it's going to cost you a fortune. I added it up and it was like over $90 worth of thread if you buy Valdani for every color that's in this. What I would do in Valdani is this color, the P4, this border out here, I would do the cape in Valdani, and the rest of it I would do in DMC. And that would save you a ton of money. And there's such small areas that I don't think it's really going to make a difference. And she does have the DMC conversion here. So that's what I would do. I just wanted to suggest that to you. Put that away later. My favorite, this one. This is called Everjoy. This is Myrtle Grace Motives. This one was my favorite. Father Christmas was probably my second. This one came out really nice. Now this uses Weeks Dye Works, and in the spool, okay, this uses Weeks Dye Works for the background, and it was sent to me like this. I'm sure you could buy it in the regular floss thing, but this was sent to me as a 3-strand cotton floss, and I had to use over 2 of these to finish this. I am a tight puncher. I'll show you the backing. See if I can get it to focus. So you can see that's what the back looks like. It doesn't look real focused on my end, but anyway, you can see that there's no room between my rows. So I use 6 strands of this at one time, and the way I do that is I have an empty spool, and I wind half of this onto the other spool, and then I can use the 2 spools at one time as a 6 strand. So I had to use more than 2 of these. So again, it does have a variegated finish in it. So you could use Valdani. Probably P4 would be close, which is, well, this one's more yellow. This is P4 right here. But if you could find one that kind of matched that color, or you could do it in this color and it would look just as good. But I don't know how much these cost because they're sent to me by the shop owner, but I can imagine that it would probably be cheaper to do it with something else. But I do love this pattern. Okay, the last one is Winter Whimsy Wonder Part 1. This is Myrtle Grace Motives also. This is the piece of peppermint candy. This is the wreath. And then this is the little cap, which is really cute. It's like a deep purple, and then it has the green stripe on it. These are also done on Valdani. And these, like, you do add things to this. Like, there's little embellishments on there that, like, the wreath gets little berries on it. But I won't do those. The shop owner will take care of that. So that is it for these. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to give that a thumbs up because it does help my channel. And if you have any questions on these patterns, please let me know. And later today, if I get brave enough, I am planning to try some cross stitch. So that may be one of my next videos I'm going to do. You know, I've done the uncounted cross stitch before, but I need to try to at least give an attempt to do regular cross stitch. And I'll show you a pattern. Well, here's some things that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing those ornaments. That's punch needle. This ornament is punch needle. I found a bunch of freebies, and I'll probably should do a video and show those just so you can find them also. Okay, I had to dig around for it. This is by Country Rustic Primitives, Christmas Bowl Filler Ornies, which is another name for ornaments. And this is so simple. I'm sure I'm going to be able to do it. Let me show you one of the pictures here. It's really small, so hopefully you can see it, what it looks like. And they're so simple. I should definitely be able to do those. If I can't, then I might as well give up. So anyway, I'm going to try that because, you know, cross stitch is just so popular right now. And I feel like I'm missing out because there's so many awesome, awesome primitive patterns. So I will show you the cross stitch patterns in another video. I will show you all the freebies that I found and tell you where to find them yourself. So I will see you on the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's totally free. And please, again, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love comments. I reply to everyone. So I will see you on the next video. Look these up if you're interested. They are all available at theshepherdsneedle.com. Bye, everybody.